Hey my loves, back with another video. I got a couple shout outs. Okay, so what am I doing today is from Trey Nail Designs. I'm also using the Nail Candy Shop. I'm her ambassador now, you guys. Hey, so the coupon code would be below. It is Ebony15. You get 15% off, you guys, so check her stuff out. And she have a summer code going on right now. Check her on her website. And also let's give a shout out to Young Nail Queen. Right now she has like 724 subscribers. She's so close to 1,000, you guys, so go check her out. Okay, so let's get into this video, you guys. So Trey's Nail Designs, I was watching one of her videos. She was seeing people do the acrylic with the rings and stuff, so she decided to do something a little different. She made like a little palette that you could put your like polish on or stuff when you're doing your nails, or like a little display for your nails when you want to show them off and take pictures and stuff. So basically what she did is she used some builder gel. Well, wait, hold up, she used poly gel at first, sorry. So I'm using some poly gel. It was I think Model Ones or McCart. It was like last year. It's clear. I just had to use it because the shelf life said at 12 months and it's been over a year, so I decided to use that. And now I'm using the Model Ones base coat. We're going to spread that all over the palette, you guys. I'm just going to dump some in there and just spread it all around. Make sure you coat it evenly and let the base coat level out a little bit. I see I got a little bit of bubbles in there. So if you guys don't have a clear background, you guys will probably have to flip it over so it can cure completely. So this is the Nail Candy Shop. It's the Crystal Ice Mylar Flakes. So I'm gonna spread some of that around. And you know I have to put blue, you guys, of course. Okay, so next, this is the UV color changing one. I forgot to test it out and stuff. I don't know why I didn't do that. I wasn't thinking. So you can spread about as much glitter as you want. It's up to you. It's your preference. You put on here what you want to put. But next time I want to try some polish and stuff in there and probably make a heart. A design so I can put my nails on it. So right here, this one is the looking glass. It has some butterflies in it and some other designs, shapes I mean, and stuff. I can't remember what the shapes are, but I like that one a lot. And this one is some more Mylar flakes, you guys. And this is her blue icy. So all the glitter I'm using is from the Nail Candy Shop. She's on YouTube and Instagram. Okay, so we got it electric. So this blue really made it pop out some. I should have added that earlier to begin with. Also right here, Summer of Love. If I'm wrong, I'll put it in the description, the right name. I used this before. I used it last year in a little collab. But I used that, and I used this to Love. I put it around the thing. So I decided to use some more looking glass because I feel like the blue just took some of the stuff away. I love this looking glass, you guys. It's really pretty. So right now I'm using some builder gel. It's from EC Cosmetics. They're on AliExpress. This container was probably like $2 or something like that. It's a 30 milliliter. It's really clear. I liked it, but I was like, it's only like $2 or $3 or something. So I was like, I'm gonna use it. So you might as well spread that all around the palette that you made. Make sure you get every inch and every corner, you guys. You're gonna spread it all. Okay, you let that cure for 60 seconds. Well, I did 2 minutes just to be sure. I'm using the McCart glue. I'm using the Glitz and Glam accessories Oh, glitz accessories and such. I'm using that. My niece decided to pick it out. Had her choose, and that's the one she wanted, so that's what we went with. And I realized all the colors kind of went with the love. Because after you do that, you apply your top coat. I'm using Azure. It's kind of old, so I'm going to use it. That's my niece right there. She wanted to see what I was doing. Also, make sure you apply the top coat on the back too. That's what I did. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really short. But don't forget to check out Trey Nail Designs and check out her video. Her palette turned out really, really good. Guys, let me know what you think, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye. At the end, I decided to change the background so you can see it a little more clearer. And I got the color of this, I made the light a little darker so you can see what the actual color that I see. The camera wasn't trying to pick it up at all, you guys. Nice at all. Okay, I'm about to do it right now. There you go, that's the color it really is. Look at that. Happened! So vibe. Alright, hope you guys enjoy. So the last two beats, don't forget to check out in my description box. Tamir Brown. Check out his YouTube as well. Alright, you guys.